Over the line with pole position holder Ayrton Senna into and out of the S's. Watch the line as he goes into Wakefield turn. And watch his right hand, because by doing so you will see what an advantage the Williams drivers with their semi-automatic gearboxes have got. They can keep their hands on the steering wheel all the time. And here at Adelaide, it's very hard work. This race is going to last, getting on for 2 hours for the many, many laps that they have to cover. And you multiply the number of laps by the number of gear changes, and it's very hard work for the driver. Less hard work if you're in a semi-automatic gearbox car, provided the semi-automatic gearbox keeps working properly, which has been the Achilles heel of the Williams Renault this year. Gerhard Berger is now fastest, the teammate of the man we're riding with, Ayrton Senna, and the time has come down for the fastest man to 1 minute 19.1, which is 5 seconds slower than